This catastrophic decision by Trump would have accelerated the spread of COVID-19, according to Bill Gates. In an interview on Fox News, Bill Gates singled out Donald Trump's management and one of his decisions taken at the start of the COVID-19 crisis in the United States. This is not the first time that Bill Gates has. This catastrophic decision by Trump would have accelerated the spread of COVID-19, according to Bill Gates. In an interview on Fox News, Bill Gates singled out Donald Trump's management and one of his decisions taken at the start of the COVID-19 crisis in the United States. This is not the first time that Bill Gates has criticized Donald Trump for his handling of the pandemic. At the microphone of journalist Chris Wallace, he explained how the travel ban decided by the U.S. president could have accelerated the spread of the coronavirus. "We created this rush." According to the American billionaire, the travel ban imposed by the United States has sparked panic, prompting thousands of Americans to return home. But no protocol has been put in place to welcome them, as he evokes in these comments reported by Business Insider. "We created this rush, and we didn't have the ability to test or quarantine these people. And that's how the disease germinated here. You know, the ban probably accelerated this, and the way from which it was executed. March saw this incredible explosion the West Coast, because of trade with China, and then the East Coast, coming from Europe. And so even though we had seen China and Europe, this ability to test and that clear message of how to behave weren't there." A failed deconfinement in the USA. The founder of Microsoft regularly criticizes Donald Trump's handling of the coronavirus. When the latter announced the suspension of the American contribution to the WHO, the Gates Foundation released $250 million to remedy it. Bill Gates also criticizes the Trump administration for managing too rapid tests and deconfinements, while cases were still on the rise in the United States. "The choices we and our leaders make now will have a huge impact on how quickly the number of cases begins to decline, how long the economy remains closed, and how many Americans will have to bury a loved one in. Cause of COVID-19.